moving down the line, as it were, we're going to make the phone holder bottom. Phone holder bottom, okay. We're gonna make a sketch. And what are we working with here? Apologies. So we're gonna make a sketch. That is 0.375 by 2. In the plans I had it drawn from the bottom, so it took me a second, and this should be 1, well, -1. Okay, so that is the first step. I'm gonna throw a quick fillet on these sides here. Whoops, not that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is an 1/8 of an inch fillet, 0.125. Click OK on that. I'm going to make a sketch on the top, and in the center of the top I'm going to make a point. So I'm using the lines to line up the center. Found it for me, so you saw that I used this point and that point, the midpoint snaps. So I've got a point in the center, and if there's a point, it means we're probably going to do a hole, so let's do our hole. And what do we got? Yes, 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 yes. We want this to be at 1/4. 20, 1B right hand. Okay. So all that is in order now. And we want to sketch, and we're going to put some holes on the top. Well, circles, not holes. So I'm going to draw a hole here. I'm going to draw a hole over here. Both of these holes are going to be 1/4 inch, 0.25, and 0.25. Both of these holes will be 0.2 from the top edge, and both of these holes will be 3.125. Whoa, 0.3125. Apologies. And then on this side it is, once again, 0.3125. So there you go, you can see the dimension by 0.2. Okay, finish the sketch. We're going to extrude those up 2 1/4 inches. So I'm going to select both of these, and they're going to go up 2.25. Let's look at it. 2.25, looking good. And then we're going to have another sketch on the top face here. Zoom in a little bit. I'm going to make a circle here. I'm going to make a circle. I'm going to, I want to project this geometry. How do I do that? Project or include. So I want to project that. Okay. So we want to do that. We want to project, so then we can go and grab that center point on there. No guessing involved. All right. And both of these circles are going to be 0.2. So the dimension is 0.2. And I will do the same likewise over here. Whoa, not 0.25, 0.2. Got crazy there. I'm going to hit finish sketch, and we're going to extrude these down. Can you guess how far? If you guessed 2 1/4, you were right. So let's go down negative 2.25. All right, so that looks good. And that is the bottom of the phone holder.